Well, absolutely. See, this is an order which would apply to around 24 crore students, and hence it is significant. And the top court said that parents cannot be mandated to create one student, one unique ID for their children under this APAAR, APAAR, which is Automated Permanent Academic Account Registry. And now, I mean, a detailed order has been passed by the Supreme Court. In a way, Supreme Court has directed the CBSE to adopt the Orissa High Court's opt-out safeguard for the APAAR IDs. And if we talk about what is the petition was challenging the constitutional validity of the Aadhaar-linked student identification system. And here the Supreme Court said that in a way directed CBSE to implement across the country this Orissa High Court earlier direction requiring the consent form for generating these APAAR IDs to, in a way, expressly give parents the option to refuse the consent or opt out of the scheme. So that's what the Supreme Court has directed the Central Board of Secondary Education. And that the three-judge bench of the Supreme Court, headed by the Chief Justice of India, was hearing this petition challenging the constitutional validity of the Aadhaar-linked student identification system. And the ground was that though it was described as voluntary in nature, it effectively compels students to enroll and raise concerns over the privacy and data protection. So this was the petition before the three-judge bench of the Supreme Court. Here, senior advocate Indra J. Singh appeared for the parents of a few students and argued that children were being compelled to register under this non-statutory scheme, despite she quoted Supreme Court earlier to 2019 Aadhaar judgment holding that children cannot be forced to obtain Aadhaar. So hence, after hearing the submission, the top court said that it will direct the CBSE to implement it across the country, and this because see, this was earlier Orissa High Court's direction, which required the consent form for generating this APAAR IDs to expressly give parents the option to either refuse the consent or opt out of the scheme. So that's what the Supreme Court in a way directed Central Board of Secondary Education.
Samvav, thank you for sharing all those details with us. We leave it there and shift our focus to some more breaking news coming in.